Rabbits are fascinating creatures, and one standout characteristic is their incredible ability to hop. This isn't just for show. Their powerful hind legs allow them to leap up to 3 feet in the air and cover distances of up to 10 feet in a single bound. This agility helps them escape predators and navigate through their environment with ease. But it's not just about speed. Rabbits also have a unique way of communicating through their hops. A quick series of bounces can signal excitement or happiness, while a slow, cautious hop might indicate they're feeling a bit wary. So the next time you see a rabbit hopping around, remember, it's not just exercise, it's their way of expressing themselves.